In this last practice set, we're going to try rationalizing each numerator instead of each denominator. This will come in handy when you are in calculus, because sometimes simplifying something or taking a derivative of something will be easier done once you've rationalized a numerator instead of a denominator. So let's practice that next. I want to rationalize the numerator or get rid of the radical in the numerator, so I have root 5 over root 7x. I'm going to multiply the numerator and denominator by root 5, and that will give me 5 over the square root of 35x. In part B, we have the cube root of 5 over the cube root of 4. Remember, I'm trying to simplify the numerator, not the denominator. So I need to multiply by the cube root of 25. When I do that, my numerator becomes the cube root of 125 over the cube root of 100. The denominator doesn't simplify, but the numerator does. We're left with 5 over the cube root of 100. Lastly, we have the cube root of 2a to the 5th over 5b. Let's see what we can do here. We need to rationalize the numerator. So let's first break this up into two parts. The cube root of 2a to the 5th over the cube root of 5b. We are missing two more factors of 2 to get an 8. So we need one of those. So we'll have the cube root of 2 squared. That will give us the 2 to the 3rd, which will allow us to pull it out of the radical. We have an a to the 5th. We need an a to the 6th. So we need one more a to build this up to the point where it will come out evenly outside of the radical. But whatever we do to the numerator, we also have to do to the denominator so that the fraction stays proportioned. Now we have the cube root of 2 to the 3rd, a to the 6th, over the cube root of 20 ab. We can simplify the numerator, and we just have 2a squared in the numerator, but in the denominator we have the cube root of 20ab, and we're done.